True beauty grows no shade. So the confidence.
From generation to generation.
Wait. Okay, thank you for that interesting question. Pretty na.
Ayan, pretty ka na dyan.
Ayan, good morning. Ayan, kailangan may smile tayo ngayong morning kasi eksena ngayong araw, ang daming eksena talaga. Mamayang hapon, di ba first class namin, class namin ngayong 7:30 to 12:30. Tapos 1:30 hanggang hapon, fitness. Ilang oras fitness niyo?
2 hours.
2 hours? Siyempre, pahirapan yun kasi exercise, yun din naman sana yung body natin. Alam niyo kasi, dito sa main school namin, sina-exercise namin katawan namin, parang i-build up namin yung eksena namin, yung katawan namin para maging physically fit. Siyempre, ganun sa barko. Kaya, dito pa lang, kaya-train na kami. Pero yung chan ko nakalawlaw. Charing. Ngayon, join niyo ako pagoda to. Sana mo.
Na-post ko kaagad. Okay lang. Sena. Ito si Aris. Uy, nag-chicken daw kayo ni Sir. Nagkaano daw kayo?
Ay, nalaman mo kagad yun.
Ako pa ba?
Break time.
Hep, hep, hep! Hindi ka kakatawa.
Init. Genetic kala. Kainan muna. Tommy Jones na ako. Dito ako nag-breakfast.
Hep, hep, hep!
Oh. Baka naman akong OA sa akin ng XL. Eh, okay lang sa akin. Yung bata! Galing. Yung bata. Okay na pa ako dito.
Hep! Te! Ate yung, tira nyo naman ako. Nutog ano na kayo. Ay, grabe.
Ikaw wala kang
1v1. Buti naman.
Kainom na rin.
Ay, ate!
Kalat naman.
Hep, hep, hep. Dalawa lang tira sa akin.
Tubig.
Maaraw.
Ganda ko.
Araw kasi daw.
Sarap. Bili pa?
Ang sarap, gagi.
Tagal ko na nag-reclave sa siomay. Perfect. Ano pa kami nito? Ano yan? Sotanghon? Ano ba yan? Ay, palabok ba yan?
Malabok na 35. Ulitin ko. Can you explain the humanities preserve our valued tradition and transmit them from generation to generation?
Mike,
Ayaw, Mike.
as a Filipino citizen, it is our pride to have these cultures and traditions that makes us a stronger person today. Us, yes. So that is why from our school we learned that these cultures are essential to be.
Wala nang nagawa.
Ano na tayo?
Generation to
So
generation.
it will be our privilege to pass this responsibility. Wait. A moment of silence, please. It is now our responsibility to pass it down to the next generation. These cultures
Salamin ka muna.
and these traditions. These cultures and these traditions should be passed on to the next generation by us. Because as a pro citizen of the place, thank you so much.
From generation to generation.
Okay, thank you for that interesting question. It's our pride to have these cultures and traditions. And you know why, guys? Cultures and traditions can be defined through dancing, singing, or the human activities. So, I believe as a proud Filipino citizen, it is now my responsibility to transmit these values, traditions, and culture that was been passed from me by our ancestors. It is now my responsibility. It is now our privilege to pass it down to the next generation. Because these valued traditions and cultures can strengthen us and can define ourselves, help us build ourselves. Thank you.
Yo. Quiet sila.
Pass the mic to the next. Studio. Yes!
Ay, mic stand ka next time. Nagalman yung dibdib ni President. President! Dapat may hawak ang pat-pat din.
Chronicles. Classroom Chronicles. Physical fitness journey. Siya ang init siya. Wala pa man din, pinagpapawisan na. Grabe init, tapos mag-exercise, mag-push ups. Oh my God. Wala akong kaubo eh. Super init. Papunta pa lang pawis na. Diyos ko po.
Superior mode on. Superior mode on.
Hindi, tapikin mo. Tampas. True beauty grows no shade. And the confidence, compassion, and courage. Love it.
Nasa inyo yung harapan.
Ang kandidata handa. Kaitiman na hindi hadlang sa tinatangi kong kagandahan. Ladies and gentlemen, I am BG Stones.
Pose. Oh, alam. Sa play.
Ang ganda-ganda. Ay, ikaw lang. Tama na. Init. Check. Yung lapot ko ako. Thank you po. Tapos na. Wala rin siya. Sakat ni. Zumba na lang. Ganun-ganun. Tiganan pa yun. Ikaw mag-deal lang. Bakit pag nabasa ako? Bakit pag nabasa ako? Ate, carry mo pa. Na-carry mo pa. Pagoda.
Kaya ba?
Hindi na carry ko. Gina to, ang hirap. Manduduya. Pagoda kiss ha. Wala nang water, Chi. Haggard! Hindi na. Attendance check.
Last na yan.
Last na yan. Pagoda.
Done.
Ano ba?
Hoy! Attendance muna!
Agustin, che!
Idol! We an idol!
Hoy, nandito! Madrid, kapit! Power kapit.